So we know that here at MacArthur Park, there has been decades of challenges related to drug activity and addiction. And unfortunately, during the pandemic, some of those issues had spilled onto our station property. So the first thing that we looked at was getting back to basics, making sure that we could have a safe and reliable system and one that is clean for all of our riders and for our employees. That included brighter lighting upgrades, pumping in fresh air.
And I've lived around here for 30 years. Westlake Station is pretty clean now. It's a nice breeze coming through.
Our effort in custodial services, our way to make a difference is to follow up, follow through on the cleaning, the wipe downs, the detailing. We increased our staffing here from 1 custodian per shift 7 days a week to 3 custodians per shift 7 days a week.
La estación del tren abajo también está muy limpia, me gusta muchísimo todo lo que están haciendo y eso me hace sentirme más cómoda y confortable.
The great news is we received a lot of positive feedback from the public regarding the efforts here at Westlake MacArthur. We went and addressed the patrons' concerns directly, making sure that we were providing a safer system, a cleaner system for everyone to experience. As a result, we've seen a reduction in drug-related complaints and illicit activity complaints on our system.
Pues has visto que hay más policías presentes a todos tiempos, no nada más en el día, también en la noche.
Some of our other efforts include replacing the platform trash receptacles. We basically upgraded to bear-resistant trash receptacles. The mess that they create for our riders and the unsafe condition that they leave by pulling a plastic bottle out of a wastebasket, dumping it on the floor or on a track just so they can bag a bottle or a can. The better our station looks, the better they treat it.
I use it for everything. I use the Metro to either go to work, go to plans with friends. Talking about the Metro station, it's been fairly clean. It's more organized in the way people come in and out.
We've seen a tremendous amount of usage from these thrones. Here at Westlake MacArthur Park Station alone, we have had over 32,000 uses over just the past 18 months.
Well, I noticed a lot of things been more cleaner. What I have noticed, people not being hanging around as much.
With these new partitions we are piloting, it prevents you from being able to reach around or over to be able to hit the panic bar. That has really helped to reinforce appropriate activity here and really ensure that everyone is following the Metro's code of conduct.
En la estación de MacArthur Park creo que ha mejorado la limpieza. Siento más segura.
As you look around today, you'll see how transformative our partnership has been. This should be as an example of what's to come, and that what they're seeing here is not isolated, and we're working to actively show these kind of improvements system-wide.
Mucha gente nos ha comentado que se sienten mucho más seguros con nuestra presencia en la plataforma y que ven el Metro Station mucho más limpio.
Now we're getting to repainting and adding additional amenities here at this station. We're going to be upgrading our fare gates here to taller fare gates, and so these are some of the activities that we're really excited about in the future.